Child, let me show you what I've been up to. Hello, beautiful. I'm so happy to be able to record a video today. I am in the process of cleaning up. Oh, my stove is a mess. So, yeah, I'm taking apart and cleaning everything up. So, excuse that mess behind me. But, oh my God, I've been so busy. I bought this smooth stick thing and I'm trying to get it to work. I'm not even sure if it's working right now, but I'm gonna keep it moving. I have been so busy. I hope all is well with you. All is well with me. Let me show you what I've been doing. And I'm gonna see if I can flip this camera around. So I wanted to show you guys what I've been up to. Let me flip this camera around. Bam. Okay. This this bathroom I have been working on. It's my powder room. It's right off of my entryway, and it has been a labor of love, let me tell you. Oh my God. I pretty much did the top, and now I got to do the bottom half. Here's my sink. So it will be a feature wall, and of course it won't be, you know, all through the bathroom, because that would kind of make it too much. But anyway, that's what I've been up to. How are you? I pray all is well with you. And oh, by the way, the theme from this bathroom came from a bathroom that we had when my husband and I went to Paris, France. And I just fell in love with Paris and the theme ever since I was a little girl. And so everything is pretty much all things Paris in the main living public areas of my home. And I absolutely adore it. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do with the floors yet, but that's as far as I've gotten. As you can see, it's still white underneath the sink, so I got to bring this design all the way down. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me see if I can switch this camera around, and there I am. I just purchased a smooth stick, and it's not sponsored. I paid for it with my own money, so it has a mind of its own. I really haven't gotten used to working it, but I just wanted to show you guys what I've been up to. When I can step away from my office, from filling orders, and I like to just kind of, you know, relax, and I love doing little projects like this, as long as they're small. Anything big, you can forget it. I'm not here for that. But I just wanted to say I love you guys, and thank you for all of your support on my channel. I really appreciate you. Thank you, all of my subscribers. Love you guys dearly. And maybe I'll come back and let you see the final results once I'm done with this powder room. Okay, so let me take you guys. Everything is French, even down to my entryway. Here are my entry doors. That symbol right there, the black symbol right there, it's a French symbol, and it's called a fleur de lis. And I have always, my whole life, been attracted to that symbol, and I never knew that it was French ever since I was a little girl. I mean, I even have earrings and things like that with that symbol, but I never knew what it was or what it stood for. And it's, to me, is amazing because it also reflects my Christian beliefs. It stands for, it's the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit, which I did not know that. And then up above here, I have that right there. I love it, love it, love it. And then, of course, my chandelier above. Oh, I'm over here. I'm over here. I'm over here. Okay, there we go. Just testing it out. Oh, it's actually following me, I think, now. Cool beans. Cool beans. Ooh, 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 ooh. So as you can see, I love all things Paris, all things French, all things France. So there is a quick view of what your girl has been doing. Yeah, it's a never, ever, ever ending project. My husband's like, are you ever gonna finish? And I'm like, no, not until I die, because I'm always switching stuff up. So that's a quick tour of my living room, and I'll take you to see my family room. This is bonus because I wasn't even planning on doing anything other than showing you my bathroom. And that is, oh, cool. That is my family room, and my office way over there, the mess. Though I do have a dedicated office, I like being out in the thick of things out here. You know, got to keep my eye on folks, right? That's pretty much it. That was the bonus clip right there. Love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Okay? Mwah, 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 mwah.